Welcome back. We are still talking about relationships versus functions. We are on the back page of our Unit 3 Day 2 worksheet. What we're doing here is determining whether the following relationships, so it's actually telling us that everything here is a relationship if they are functions. Then it wants you to state the domain and the range. Now, over here, I would like to remind you that our domain is the list of all inputs. Okay, that's what domain is. And range is going to be the list of all outputs. Ooh, my handwriting is very fun today. Not good, but fun. So let's look at all of my inputs here. To determine if this is a function, I'm going to check my inputs. I'm going to check 1, -2, -1, and 1. So I need to look and see 1 is in a relationship with -2. Does he ever have a cheating relationship? Look at this. 1 is in a relationship with 3 and 1 is a relationship with -2. So this particular 1 is a cheater. So we can say right here with certainty, not function. Input 1 has 2 outputs. Oh no. Now let's do the domain. So the domain is what? The list of all inputs. So if I list these out, I always want to list smallest to biggest. So my smallest number here is -2. Then my next number is -1. Then my next number is 1. And you might think I would put 1 twice, but I don't. I just want to list them all in a row one time. There, your domain is done. It's actually pretty simple. So my range is going to be all of my outputs. So I'm going to underline in blue all the outputs. So I'm going to list them again. I'm going to go to the smallest one, 3, 2, 0. Actually, this is in the correct order, so I can just go -2, comma, 0, comma, 2, comma, 3. Put that in brackets, and that is the list of all of my outputs. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to check my inputs first, just to see if this is going to be a function. So I check this input, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see an organized system going here. 1 is never cheating, 2 is never cheating, 3. So I know right away that yes, this is a function. Actually, it's so easy because I don't ever repeat my inputs, which means my inputs never have a chance to cheat. So let's go list off all of my inputs as domain. Again, it's very straightforward. I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All in nice order, all taken care of. Let's go to my range. That's going to be the output here, or the y's. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 15. 1, 2, 5, 10, and 15. I actually prefer having brackets around domain and range to say brackets I usually consider more of a set. So it's a collection of things than the parentheses. Now let's come down to here. Determine if the following mappings are functions. If it's not a function, you need to explain why. So again, with everything, every time I check functions, I am checking the inputs. I'm checking to see if they're repeating and cheating. 0 has 1 arrow, 4 has 1 arrow, 5 has 1 arrow, 6 has 1 arrow. So this is yes, a function. I do not mind that this guy right here has 1, 2, 3 arrows because he is an output. Outputs don't matter if they cheat. We don't even check these. We only check our inputs. Let's go over here. 3, 1 arrow, 5, 1 arrow, 7, 1 arrow. So yes, this is a function. Even though, again, even though this right here has 3 connections, he's an output, and that doesn't matter. Okay? I think on this page you might have 4 more maps to go through. So I'm going to leave that to you. You can finish up those maps. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm happy to help. And I hope you have a wonderful day and get all your work done and get caught up. Bye.